All right, grade 7, it's time for another flipped classroom lesson. Today's topic is matter materials, matter in your world. Hot diggity! Now diggity, now there's a very unscientific term. But hey, that's another story. We are starting a new unit. In this unit, we will be looking at substances and mixtures and discovering interesting qualities about mixtures and substances that we see every day. Today we need to start off with some basic definitions. So let's start with matter. Matter is any material that occupies space and has mass. Solids, liquids, and gases are all types of matter and have different characteristics. The 3 states of matter are solids, for example, liquids, here's your example, and gases, with your examples. The characteristics that we use to describe matter are called properties. Every type of material has its own properties, such as color, odor or smell, reaction to temperature. Ice, a Green Lantern ring, Coca-Cola. Each of these would have properties. Can you identify properties of any of these items? Whenever you see a material that has more than one set of properties, then it is a mixture. A mixture contains more than 2 or more pieces of matter that are combined in such a way that each piece still contains its own set of properties. Mixtures, which contain parts that can be seen, are called heterogeneous. Materials that have only one set of properties are called homogeneous. That means each part of the material is the same. In the above pictures, the brewed tea is a blank substance. The chicken soup is a, take a guess? The brewed tea is homogeneous. The chicken soup is heterogeneous. It's hard to tell the difference between heterogeneous and homogeneous materials. For example, in some areas we can say that the water is heterogeneous because we can see that pollutants have caused parts of the water to change color or texture. But a body of water that appears to be completely clean may also look homogeneous and not really be so. Technology has made it possible for some things to be homogenized. A popular example of this is milk. For many years, milk was clearly heterogeneous. You could clearly see the fat globules float on top of milk and form a creamy layer. Today, however, milk is homogenized, so that fat globules remain mixed with the rest of the liquid. You would need a microscope to see that homogenized milk is in fact not completely homogenized. Time for review. Properties, homogeneous, heterogeneous, technology, matter. Is anything that has mass and takes up space. Matter. Color, odor, and texture are examples of the substances. Properties. Mixtures which contain different parts that can be seen are called heterogeneous. Materials that have only one set of properties are called homogeneous. And lastly, technology is used to make some things like milk homogenized. Thank you for watching. We will see you in science class on Wednesday. So we'll be discussing this and doing some questions. Woohoo! See you then, grade 7.